Welcome to Mifeng IQ. Today's challenge comes with a special twist that every answer is the name of a famous food. At the end, a special bonus question is waiting for you. Today, 50 exciting GK questions are waiting to test your brain. Choose the correct answer before the timer ends. Every correct answer earns you points. At the end, discover your rank from beginner quest to legend mode. Are you ready? Then let's get started. What is the Indian flattened bread without yeast? Roti. What is the national dish of Thailand? Pad Thai. What is the Turkish kebab that is wrapped in a bread called? Doner. What is the Japanese term used for fermented soybean paste? Miso. What is the main ingredient in Middle Eastern hummus? Chickpeas. What is a popular German sausage dish? Bratwurst. What is the Spanish cold tomato soup called? Gazpacho. What is the Indian spiced tea drink called? It's masala chai. What is a famous Philippine stewed meat dish? Adobo. What are Belgian fried potato strips called? Frites. What is a Korean fermented vegetable dish? Kimchi. What is a Japanese cold noodle soup? Somen. What is the ancient grain from South America? Quinoa. What is the Ethiopian bread that serves as a base for meals? Injera. What is a Moroccan slow cooked stew called? Tagine. What is the Indian bread cooked in a tandoor oven? It's naan. What is the Vietnamese fermented fish product? Nuoc mam. What is the Peruvian raw fish dish? Ceviche. What is the French pastry with multiple layers called? Millefillet. What is the Indian lentil soup or stew called? Dal. What is the traditional Greek cheese made from milk? Feta. What is a Portuguese grilled chicken dish flavored with peri peri? Frango peri. What is the Italian rice dish cooked with stock? Isto. What is the Spanish curd hum called? Jamon. What is the fermented soy product made in block form? It's a tofu. What is the Mexican corn-based soup called? Pozole. What is the Chinese steamed bun called? It's baozi. What is the Lebanese layered pastry dessert? Baklava. What is the Indonesian spice paste used in cooking? Sambal. What is the African grain-based porridge? Ugali. What is the Caribbean stew that contains okra? Gumbo. What is the Brazilian black bean stew called? Feijoada. What is the fermented tea beverage? Kombucha. What is the Asian noodle soup commonly served in bowls? Po. What is the main ingredient in Spanish paella? It's saffron. What animal product is primarily used in Scottish haggis? Offal. What is the Norwegian curd salmon called? Gravlax. What is the Russian layered salad called? Olivier. What type of cheese is traditionally used in Greek salad? Feta. What is the Italian curd pork product? Salami. What is the French soft cheese made from cow milk? Brie. What is the Swiss melted cheese dish? Fondue. What is the Welsh cured meat product? Ham. What is the Japanese fermented rice drink? Sake. What is a Korean red chili paste? It's gochujang. What is a Brazilian seafood stew cooked in coconut milk? Mukuya. What is the Turkish eggplant dip called? Biber garnish. What is the Indian yogurt based side dish? It's raita. What is the Chinese soy alternative made from soy? Tamari. What is a Filipino vinegar based condiment? Coconut vinegar. Let's see the bonus question now. What is the Thai fermented fish product used as a seasoning? Let me know your answer. So, how many did you get right? Comment your score below and tell us your rank. If you enjoyed this challenge, like, share and subscribe to Mifeng IQ for more quizzes. See you in the next challenge.